get started on this eye look, I just want to highly recommend that you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I know there's like a little red subscription box or button right down there. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss, that's right, you right there watching, so that you don't miss any more of my content. So I kind of have like a confession. So I kind of feel like I haven't really been bringing forth as much makeup, like as many makeup videos as like I want to. Like I feel like I kind of do a lot of foundation reviews and I show you eyebrows and I show you like full face, but I really don't get into like these bomb artistic looks. And of course I'm not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast, a MUE. So, you know, I enjoy the art of makeup. I enjoy what goes behind it. I enjoy how therapeutic it is. I really need to get into practicing more looks so that I can show you guys, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I mean, like a lot of times I will purchase makeup products to review them and to tutorial them and to show you how an amateur can use them, because you know, not everybody is a MUA. So I like to, you know what I'm saying, share what I know, what I can do with you. But at the same time, I feel like, you know, we gotta level up. You know what I'm saying? We gonna have to level up. So this look is inspired by Vanessa Guimard. I believe I'm pronouncing her last name right. But she is on Instagram. She's a professional pro makeup artist. And when I tell you she slays these bomb, natural, yet beautiful, bold, powerful looks, man. And then like her edits, her videos just be having you just looking like, yeah, what's she gonna do next? Everything just looks so natural. It's not like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not overpowering. Now, rewind, I asked my Instagram followers to pick a look that they would like for me to recreate, and majority of them voted number 4, which was Vanessa's look. So without further ado, so y'all heard my confession, so here's the first video and doing a better job and bringing y'all some makeup looks.